Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel where I simplify SAP concepts for you. This is a new video of the series where I help you prepare for your SAP SD interview rounds. Assume you are appearing in an interview and the interviewer asks you, do you know about consignment process and what has been your experience working on it? This is how you should frame your answer for this question. You can say, yes, I've worked on the consignment process. This is a special sales process in SAP SD where the vendor or a supplier provides the goods to the customer without immediate billing. The customer keeps the goods in their possession but pays only for what they consume. Then you can start explaining about the main steps in the consignment process, starting with consignment fill-up. In consignment fill-up, the goods are sent to the customer's consignment stock, but the ownership of the goods remains with the supplier. No invoice is generated at this stage because the customer has not consumed the goods so far. You can quote an example from auto industry when the manufacturer sends the spare parts to the dealership, but the ownership remains with the manufacturer. Then comes consignment issue. This happens when customer actually uses or consumes the goods and at this moment the invoice is generated and the ownership is transferred to the customer. Then you can talk about consignment return. This happens when the customer returns the goods to the supplier. This process ensures that the stock is reversed and reflected correctly. The last step in the process is consignment pickup. This happens when the supplier picks up the goods from customer's consignment stock and the stock then reflects in the supplier's inventory. After explaining about these main steps in the consignment process, you can then touch upon the configuration aspects of the process. You can say consignment process requires configuration around sales document types, item categories, and inventory management in Special stock indicators like W for consignment stock are used to distinguish from regular stock. You can also add that I've worked on setting up the condition type for pricing during the consignment issue, as that's the only point where revenue is realized. Whenever you are answering a question, always try to relate it with relevant business examples. This type of answer shows that you understand both technical and business aspects of consignment process, giving confidence to the interviewer. Thank you for watching and I will see you in my next video.